In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a multiple choice question in SurveyMonkey. We'll keep this quick and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to format your question so respondents can choose a single, straightforward answer. First, open your web browser and go to SurveyMonkey's website. Sign in if you're prompted, then head to your list of surveys and open the survey you want to edit. If you're starting from an existing project, you'll land on the survey overview. From here, look for the Design Survey area. This is where you control the layout and content of your questionnaire. Inside Design Survey, check the left side toolbar and select Build. Build is your library of question types. Find and click Multiple Choice. As soon as you select it, SurveyMonkey inserts a multiple choice question block into your survey at the current position. Now edit the new question. Click the placeholder question text and type your prompt in clear, neutral language. Underneath, replace the sample answer choices with your own. Keep your options concise and mutually exclusive so respondents don't have to guess. If you need extra options, add new lines. If you need fewer, remove any you don't want. You can also drag options to reorder them if a different sequence makes more sense, like placing the most common choices first. Give your question a short, descriptive title if it helps you stay organized, and use the helper text field to add brief context only when necessary. SurveyMonkey saves changes as you go, but a quick glance for typos and consistent capitalization goes a long way. As you review, think about balance and clarity. Aim for 5 to 7 well-written options, avoid overlapping ranges or vague terms, and make sure the choices cover all realistic scenarios for your audience. If your list is long, consider an other write-in choice so people aren't forced into a poor fit. Finally, confirm the question appears where you want it in the page order. If not, drag the entire question block to the right spot. And that's it. You went to SurveyMonkey, opened your survey, used Design Survey and the Build menu to insert a multiple choice question, and edited the question and options to fit your goals. When you're happy with how it reads, you're done and ready to continue building or to move on to collecting responses.